I'm going to show you how to run Savu on your Diamond workstation. Savu will only operate on a Linux workstation, and that's what I'm using now. First of all, you're going to log in with your Fed ID and your password, and then you should reach the desktop screen, which is what I'm looking at. Next, we should open the terminal. So I can see that here with the terminal icon, but if you don't have that, you can go to Activities in the top left, and then in the search bar you can type terminal and it will come up as well. So if you don't know what the terminal is, you might have heard it referred to as a console, shell or command line prompt, and that's what I'm looking at here. This white square is a window, and it's a program on your computer which can take in text instructions and complete them. For example, opening a file, navigating to a directory, loading libraries relating to our software. Okay, so now we want to run Savu, and to do that I have to type module load Savu. What module load does is it modifies the environment by including a path to allow us to access the relevant packages for the Savu software. And now we can use the Savu command, and to learn how to do that you can type savu-help. And this will describe the arguments that you need to pass to the software. And you will type Savu and then a space to separate each argument you require. And the two main arguments are going to be an input data file and a process list. So to recap from the first video, I'm going to change screen and show you the image of the framework. So the Savu launcher, the Savu command we've just looked at, requires an input data path here and a Savu process list. And once it has those, it can apply the list of processing methods to that data and pass it to the computing cluster to then be analysed and saved. And to create this process list, we have to use the Savu configurator. And to load that, we type savu config. This is now loading the plugins which we're going to be able to access. And if you type enter, you can see a list of commands available. So we can open an existing process, or we can start one from scratch by adding a plugin to the list. And we can load the plugin collections by typing col. So now it will show me all the plugins grouped, and I could add a correction plugin, a loader plugin, a ring removal plugin.